Hello friends and welcome to Relevant GRC. So today I will talk about Git and GitLab, but specifically for beginners and more so for GRC professionals who are not technical and are looking to understand programming, versioning controls, among others in GitLab. I will be explaining some key terminologies and then demo how to create an account in GitLab and create a project to follow along. So as a non-technical GRC professional, we will cover the basics in this series that you can manage to help you in your GRC journey. I am Nathaniel Konu. Let's get started. So before we get into creating accounts in GitLab and projects, let's talk about what is Git and GitLab. So what is Git? Git is a version control system that allows you to track changes, manage versions, collaborate, and work with platforms such as GitLab, GitHub, Bitbucket to synchronize local and remote copies. Here, we are looking at tracking changes to files and folders locally, and then also you can manage the version of your code or project over time. GitLab is a hosting and collaboration service platform for Git repository that provides remote repository hosting to project collaboration, access controls for teams and individuals. It also has integrated features that support the SDLC lifecycle, such as you can track issues, bugs. You can also use it for wiki and documentation hosting. And one key topic, which is the CI/CD pipelines, which is what the continuous integration and continuous delivery or deployment. You could also use it for project boards, for task management, code reviews, and then also merge request workflow. So as we focus on GitLab and we go through this series, you will get to know more about GitLab, and I will keep it basic for non-technical GRCs to follow and understand everything. Let us get started with step number 1 in creating your own account in GitLab. So let's begin with step 1. Let's go to GitLab and create a free account. We go to gitlab.com, so you'll be greeted with this page. You can also choose to sign up for free, but if you want to be using this for your tutorials each and every day, you just need to scroll down, come to the resource sessions, and then click on install. So here you will see a lot of ways to install GitLab for free. You do have a self-managed GitLab, which is managed by yourself. You do also have the cloud native approach where you could use either Docker and then the other approach. We could also use Linux. What I use is the gitlab.com plans. So in the gitlab.com, you could see that once you click on the plan, it gives you set free and upgrade later. And then over here, you could see it tells you free for individual working on personal project and open source contribution. So you could see it says $0 per user a month, no credit card required. So with this, you can just put in your email and then you can just get started. Because I already have an account, once you put in your email, you will see it will just provide you the following details, and then you can then go in and then sign in. You could either use your Gmail account. So here you could see, for me, I have used my Gmail account. So once you sign in, you'll be greeted with this page, and then you can then go in and create your new project. So after creating your account and you sign in like I showed you, then you go in to create your project. So like I showed you, you go to projects in here and then you create your project. For the steps for creating the project, you'll be greeted with a blank page on how to create the project. So you see it says create project from a blank page, create from template, import project, or run a CI/CD pipeline. So this is the steps that I have outlined in here. You can then create your project for private, internal, public use for visibility level. Once you are done, you will be able to see that your project is going to be showing in here. So if I go back, you could see this is my GRC hub, and then you could see I have my project called GRC hub. So this tells you that you have been able to create your new repository in GitLab. So I hope this video helped you. This was very basic. In our next video, we'll be learning how to fork a project, how to create an SSH, how to also do compliance as code, which is the main goal for our GRC professionals who are non-technical, and to understand how to collect evidence in an automated form using GitLab, and then also put in compliance in technical areas. So I hope this was very helpful for you. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment sections, and then I'll see you in the next video.